Hi, my name is Viome and I'm gonna make this cool paper airplane. It's a world record number 2. So let's begin. So we're gonna take this edge, we're gonna fold it to this point. Try and get it there. And you see this edge, right? You wanna get it to matching with right that point. You might want to take something to crease it with. So, well, I don't have anything to crease it, so there. Oh yeah, this, sorry, I forgot. Take it off. Same for the other side. You take this crease, sometimes it just slips, it's like that. It just slips. You see this crease, right? You want to match this point to this crease. Right up there. Now you have a cool point. And you want to match this right there. You can do this by yourself, and if you're pretty talented, you can. But if you're not really that talented, you might want an adult with you. Or if you're an adult, it's probably easy for you. You open this up, so you see this crease, right? You take this end and you have it fold it like this, and you fold halfway along and just before you meet that crease. Not even 1 centimeter, probably a millimeter or something. I don't know. Like so small. You see that crease right there? So small. Here, let's see. Okay, there, we found it, right? Great. Now start it. You should have this line there. But that's for nothing. Well, that is for something. This point has to come along to that edge of the point. And you should have it exactly as this side of the, might be a little tricky for you. So, okay, we got it done. Now we're gonna take hold like this. And you're gonna see some lines coming up right here if you did it so perfectly. And then you're gonna fold until you see that point. Then you fold right on that point. You see that? You take this end, or this end, whichever end you want to start with. And then you fold it like that. And you should probably have a point there. It doesn't really have to be perfect. Okay. Then it comes like that. It's right there. Great. Now we have this. Okay. So then you see this point, right? It's gonna match with this line coming up here. It's gonna be kind of pointy. Not this thing, of course. Up here it is gonna be pointy. Okay, we fold it on the back. It's flat and plain. We take some thread and squeeze, and we fold it right here, right there. Okay, so we got it right there, and we fold it like this. Oops. We fold it right there. If you want, you can use a squeegee like this. It says invisible shield. Well, I just use it for something else. And you see this, right? You want to flip it over and do it probably like 1 centimeter, and you don't want this tip showing. You want it right at the edge of it. And you take this invisible shield, and when you press on it, you can see that line right there. So that's where you crease it. I'm just creasing the whole body of that plate part. See, you should have a tiny bit sticking out. There. Just letting you see. Right there. Okay, now flip it over again. You see this line? Along that line, if you need to use a squeegee, you can. Along that line. You got it. Great. You got it. that line. And yes, we could make it. You probably want to use the near your wrist. I don't know what that part is called, but whatever. And you press on that invisible shield. That squeegee, whatever. I call it invisible shield. And they press on it. There you go. You got this airplane. It's like this one, the old one that I made. Basically, it flies. Yeah, okay. Yeah, flies good. And yeah. You wanna see its flight? Let me go get it for a sec. And I got this one too, so. Woo! Flew somewhere else. This airplane. We're not done this. No, we have to do this, so. We did that. And we did that. Great, we made the world record number 2. Let's see what test flying is. Oh, that was cool. I made mini paper airplanes. Hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. Happy day. Bye.